is 3.33 and 27.78. Tripod or 0, 30 and is 20 and 0. Then next part. So the last part is you must calculate the objective function and of at each corner point. So we must use the 150 plus 30 way to maximize the profit. So here is 3 points that we solve. So 0, 30, and b is equals to 50. Substitute 0 plus 30y. Substitute 30. So 50, 0, 0, 30 times 30 equals to 100. Then next is 20, 20 and 0. So substitute. So 50 times 20 plus 30 times 0 is equals to 1,000. Then next is the last point is 3.33 and 27.78. So substitute. So 50 times 3.33 plus 30 times 27.78 is equals to 1,000. So our highest profit is 20 and 0 is equals to $1,000. This means the company should produce 20 tables and 0 chairs.